Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your very own poop spray. So I purchased the items from Lazada, most of them, and some of them in the local grocery. First, this is the This is the glycerin that you'll be mixing to make the poop spray. This cost me 408, including the shipping fee. I'm gonna unbox this right now. This is 1 liter. 1 liter. Grabe ang packaging sa Lazada, guys. Wait. Okay. So this is what I got from Lazada. In fairness, ilhang packaging kay grabe ka secure. Napay bubble wraps. Hiba niya. Kung ako'y gunting, pasensya ito, ubos. Okay. Alright. So the first ingredient for your poop spray, I'm sweating. Oh yeah, if you see these bruises, we actually met an accident days before. And we fell down and slid through the road because it's slippery because of oil. Anyway, going back to my subject, vegetable glycerin, 1 kilogram din guys, dili 1 liter. 1 kilogram, and this is pure water-soluble distillate from vegetable sources. It's a neutral, thick liquid that can be used in many diverse applications. So this is to emulsify, I believe, the poop spray. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. So I bought a 500 ml isopropyl alcohol 70% solution from the local grocery store. The next ingredient, the most important I believe, is the scent or the scents of your own choice. So I chose Scent for Senses, lavender and cherry blossom. That's 50 ml of each. You're not gonna use everything inside each bottle. You're only gonna use around 40 drops. Say not. And lastly, I also bought the blue and red food coloring. This is essential for you to know that you've already sprayed on all the parts of the bowl. And I'm gonna show you that later on. But we will also need boiled water, because if you use the water from the faucet, it will contain a lot of bacteria and will lessen the shelf life of your poop sprays. So I have the water ready. I also needed a dropper because you will be counting 40 drops of the essential oil. And I also bought 20 empty bottle sprays, and this costs 552. It's a bit expensive. So it's 50 ml. That's the common size for poop sprays. So I'm just gonna create 1 poop spray for now for my own usage. Okay, poop sprays, you would need that if you're hesitant to take a dump at the office or in school or whichever public toilet you might fear that other people would know that you're taking a dump. So that's why I decided to create a small business of selling poop sprays. This is again is 50 ml. First, I'm gonna put water, half portion. Okay, not really half, 75%. After placing water, you need to add the glycerin. OMG. So I'm not using a funnel, good luck to me. The opening is a bit small though, so not that difficult to pour on the bottom. Wait. How do I do this? Oh, it's sticky. Ah! Yeah, I have shaky hands. You're supposed to put 2 tablespoons of glycerin on each bottle spray. I'm just estimating as to how much it will be putting. Okay, I think that's it. So we're done with water. Next would be the alcohol, the rubbing alcohol. So there are 2 variants of alcohol. There's ethyl and isopropyl. So we saw that there was a brand which they really placed rubbing alcohol and it was of isopropyl content. So that's why I bought isopropyl. So you're gonna need 2 tablespoons still of the alcohol. So you're gonna place that in. I'm just gonna estimate. Okay, I think that's it. Water, glycerin, and then alcohol. Next would be the scents. So I have 2. Remember, I have cherry blossom and I have lavender. I'm gonna use lavender, and I'm gonna use the blue food coloring as well, and we'll see how it goes from there. I'm gonna drop 40 drops of the scent is very strong actually. I'm gonna drop 40 drops of the lavender oil. I hope it would be exact. 1, 2, 3. Right? So this has been the mixture. Looks cool. It has water, glycerin, alcohol, and the essential oil, which I chose was lavender. Lastly, I'm gonna place food coloring. Blue. I chose blue. This is 29. I think that's 29 pesos in the local grocery. So I did not count as to how many drops I placed. But take a look, guys. It looks so good. Anyway, you have to shake that. So replace the cover of the bottle spray and shake it. The color is important because you need to know that you have covered everything before you take a poop. Make sure to cover especially the water area and a little bit of the bowel area. before you take a dump. And I believe that's it. So this is one bottle of 50 ml poop spray. My brand will be Puhumut, and I'll be posting that in my Facebook page. I created a page solely for my poop sprays. I'll be accepting orders. It will be 145 per bottle because the ingredients again needs to be bought and they're not that cheap. So if you have orders, please do. You can leave comments here on your contact number and your name, or you can also order through Facebook. I have a link of my Facebook here on top in the channel art of my page. So please don't hesitate to order. That's 145. And if you like the video that I created, please do feel free to hit the like button and leave comments below and subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button so that you would be informed if I have newer uploads on my channel. So see you again till next video.